As a lawyer, girls call me all the time when they are stressed and terrified about their harassers. But when I guide them through the legal process, the answer I get is मेरे घर वाले नहीं मानेंगे, मेरे घर पता चल जाएगा, this and that. Just remember कि जिसने आज आपको ब्लैकमेल किया है वो आपको दोबारा भी करेगा. The pattern will keep on repeating. कोई भी आपका सगा नहीं है. When he has done that shit for this time, he will keep on doing till your death. So if you want to break this loop, you have to come out and take step for yourself. As your lawyer, I can take the legal step. I will fight the legal battle, but you yourself have to take the very first step for yourself. You have to lodge the complaint. There is a very easy step. There is a very online portal. NCCI has its online portal where you can put your screenshots, your evidence of harassment, and lodge a complaint. That is very favorable for you. The legal landscape has been changed. We have a female CM. She has publicly said कि ख़वातीन मेरी red line है. She is herself monitoring those cases, and there is a follow-up process of those cases as well. If you look at the very influential example of Mumina Iqbal, the other guy, the other harasser, was a very influential and a powerful guy, but still it was a case of a female blackmailing harassment, and the FIR has been lodged against him. So you yourself have to take the very first step, and as a lawyer, I will back you and I will fight the legal battle, but you yourself have to do the complaint. So if someone is harassing you in this age, in this year, in this time, this is the best time to launch the complaint. Believe me, this is the best time where the applications of women have been entertained. So you must take step forward for yourself. Please break the chain. Do not call me for two or three long hour calls, and I am hearing all of your stress. When I guide you through the process, please be with me. Do not just call me for that. वो मुझे तंग कर रहा है, वो मुझे blackmail कर रहा है. I am here for you, but you yourself have to be there for yourself at first. Thank you.
फिकर न कर, तेरा भाई वकील है.